Uh, I've decided to make another documentary on driving the cement tanker and all which is that goes with it. And I'm here at the factory in the Northern Cape where the cement get produced, and just some of the other tankers also waiting to load. And so I think I should give you a nice documentary on how this lot is all going. This is the horse I'm using is the Mercedes V series, which is a fairly old model. This truck is a 330 twin turbo, and it's got a manual shift 16 ZF16 gearbox in it, and extremely strong on the pull. Okay, and I got the tank with all the dents and the scratches on that. Wasn't me. So I used to tow an old steel tank, and this is in fact a aluminium tanker. So it's nice and lightweight, and yeah. So we'll get to all these controls and things in some time, but I think let me show you the inside of the cab and the arrangements inside. Okay, it's got two bunks in it. I'd like to sleep on top, and the bottom one is just open. I put my stuff in there. With me I've got a cooler box to keep my cool drinks, etc. cool, and this is my radio up there, my GPS. The radio up here doesn't play properly. It's one of these fancy newer things. It doesn't work properly at all. Over there is my jack and some water and stuff, and yeah, this is basically what the insides look like. Just about the gear shift. Oops, let me just take this. Put the radio on the side. There you can see, there's the image of the ZF16. So that gives you an idea. We've got half G. It's got a gate. You can hear the gate as it goes, and you've basically got a knob here, and the select eye, and the lows over there. So there we have it. Yeah. Okay. And this is me, of course. I'll do some in this documentary. I might edit it or might not. Let's just see how it goes. Yeah. And of course, my name is Johan, and my nickname amongst truckers is Pop Rivet. And I've got a neat little sign showing the Pop Rivet. Okay. Okay, there's my little Pop Rivet sign, which is in the front window, in the front screen, right in the sun. Okay. The waiting for load is a bit of a nuisance, and they SMS a number. When I get the number SMS, I open up the lid, put on PPE and all of that, and proceed in that thing. Over there, the distances that we travel on average is about 1500 kilometers a day, and the delivery points being anywhere between 350 and 700 k's away. So yeah, this trailer is supposed to have a pickup axle, and but the units of that is not functional properly. This is a tanker which is towed by all the subcontractors. Maybe just interesting while on the number plates, this trailer is registered in the Free State Province. And there you can see Free State Province, hence the FS. And the truck is registered in the Northern Cape, so the registration number of that is totally different. And you can see all these the provinces have all these picture number plates. This one has got a oryx, antelope, and showing the desert, which is the Northern Cape. Especially the areas that I go into is mostly desert, semi-desert, and that's just something about the number plates. Yeah, you can see I polished the tires. Like to keep the truck neat and tidy. Okay, this is oil spatters that comes from they drip somewhere off here on the blower motor. It's a bit of some compression, and that pushes out a bit of oil, and the oil comes on the tires and that flings up to the back. So still have to clean up that lot. Okay. Yeah. The Mercedes badge is gone, the big one. There's a small one. Mercedes badge. Yeah. There we have it. Okay, I'm about to load to go in, and I'm not supposed to do a video by security, but okay, once I'm through the gate there, I'll carry on with the video. What's a bit of a morning wait here. Okay, I've just entered the security gate, and I'm going to go into the silo to load. Okay, I'm going to continue off the loading. I'm not supposed to do a video in here. Right, okay, loading is completed. There's a tricky turn here. We'll make for some amazing video though. Loading is complete, and what they do is security checkpoint. These are the paperwork that goes for security checkpoint, and then I go to the Weibull office and I have the final documentation printed, and then we can hit the road. We're heading for Uppington, load detachment for Uppington. So we're going to hit some darkness. We're going to get in the night, but surely, unfortunately, won't be able to film though. But we can, but we'll have a great video in any case. So there we go. Okay, cool. Okay, let's stop making video here for a bit. So we exit the. Okay. Now this side on the right hand is where the guys going in to load, and once you have finished loading, you go to the parking for the outgoing while collecting documentation and all of that. Okay, I've got rid of the PPE, all the crap clothing involved, and yeah, we're ready to go. So we're going to see a bit of night drive. Dirt road here. We're going in the village of Osmansburg, which is on this side of the road, and the next stop would be Olympus. So this village, I'll basically just drive through it, but I'll show you a bit of it. This guy with this tank, he's running a hiker. This guy, this tank, it passed me 4 times today. It's a terrible section of road. Side of the road, we've got some of these military accommodations, which was sort of a farm zones. And the Osmansburg shopping center coming up. Here's another cement tanker. Absolutely substandard conditions in this place. a shopping center with a KFC here. This is what I call Minecraft paradise. Mine trucks are running, and these guys have absolutely no respect for anything else on wheels. These little uphill here. Let's keep it here. This is some auction. They used to have auction stuff like that. As I'm doing this video, you know, it's very rough filming. Just grabbing the camera and holding it here and there, etc. And I'll try and see if I can get some nice shots and edit this lot in something that will at least give you a very good idea of trucking in South Africa, trucking in Africa I suppose. So yeah, in 25 minutes time we're going to hit some roadworks, and then from there onwards we're definitely going to hit a long section of road in the night tonight. Okay. There is sunset, and getting into a last light now. So in a couple of minutes we'll be dark. We're on the section where there's some roadworks, and maybe I'll show you. Okay, for what it's worth seeing in this video, but okay, dark, and this thing isn't very light sensitive, but this is Olympus hook, and this is where I'll be buying some refreshments, cold drink and what. I'll be taking the camera in with me to the shop, and I suppose while filming, after people will think I'm totally nuts. So this is the engine where I'll be making a stop. Where that pickup is actually where I want to stop. Just do it. Wow, this thing idles a bit. Look at me, it's very dark in here. Very dark. Yeah, it's great. It's the light. Okay, and I've got my cooler box to go. And then now.
Salut con él.
it just sounds at dark, and I'm eating through the bed that leads to the Kalahari region, and there's a couple of vehicles coming, and I suppose tomorrow morning we'll have I'll be at the plant where I must offload. Okay, so morning I've slept just before the village, and now it's one of these roadblocks again, and close to the offloading point. A bit of roadworks, so always a nuisance. Let's have a look at this road sign and just show you a bit of the surrounding areas. I wanted to try dash cam, but it didn't work. Okay, this is the industrial area. Incidentally, the same silo that I offloaded the old tank, that will be the same one which I will be offloading it today, and I'll show you a bit of that when I do the offloading lot. But I don't have some way to lock the camera down. We'll just see how it goes. And there's my silo coming up in the picture. Okay, let me just go through the gate and all of that. This is the plant, the brick making and concrete plants, making all sorts of concrete products here, etc., etc. So they need to make a couple of more bricks. having tire pressures done. I had a bit of a silo thing there. Hy moet 800 wees hy in, hè? You see, this is the proper way to do tire pressures. This is the village of Uppington. Hello.